Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Audio-Technica. This is the ATH-G1WL wireless gaming headset for PC or Mac. You can check it out on their website. I'll have that link in the description below where you can check it out. This is a fairly expensive headset, coming in at $249. But this is probably one of the best sounding wireless headsets that I've tested for PC to date. Let's check this out. I'll be right back. I'm not a fan of wired headsets. I am a fan of wireless headsets. The problem is finding a wireless headset that actually is worth your time and, of course, your money. This particular headset runs on 2.4 gigahertz low latency wireless connection that I'll show you in just a few moments once we open the box. It does have a virtual surround sound mode in it as well that does actually add a lot of extra quality to this. Up to 15 hours of continuous use, and it does have a hypercardioid directional microphone that picks up your voice. We will have that test as well. Built-in mute for your microphone switching, and a lot of other things as well. So let's dive right in and check this out. So once you get everything unboxed, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get charge cable, but of course you're going to get your obligatory user manual here for the ATH-G1WL headset. You can check out this information if you need to. We're going to cover a lot of it today. Just kind of show you what's going on with this. Now, to charge up this headset, you're going to get a standard USB to micro USB cable that will allow you to charge the internal battery. And what I like about this cable is it's a really thick cable. It's going to be able to give you good power transmission. And it's a long cable too. So if you need to have this plugged in and you don't have a lot of space, or you want it to be further away from something, you definitely are okay with that cable. Now, they give you some replacement ear pads. This is something that I haven't seen much headset or many headset users do, is give you replacement ear pads. The existing ones are nice and comfortable. I do like them. They look very breathable as well, but they give you backup ear pads because ear pads seem to be the first thing to go on headsets. And it's great that they give you an extra set so you can replace them down the road. Now, taking a look at the USB dongle that you're going to get, this is for that 2.4 gigahertz transmission. You're going to want to plug this into a USB port somewhere on your computer or Mac. It does work with Mac as well. You're going to get that little LED indicator light there and a pairing button. Pretty simple. Most wireless headsets have been following this trend for quite some time. You do have a bendable, posable microphone here with windscreen. That hypercardioid microphone at the end here picks up your voice very well. In fact, I'm going to pause the video right here and we're going to do a quick microphone test so that you guys can hear exactly how it sounds. This is a test of the Audio-Technica ATH-G1WL gaming headset's microphone. This will allow you to determine whether your voice will sound good in a game chat or video or voice calls on your PC and or Mac. I will leave this up to you guys to decide on the voice quality of this particular headset. There you go, that's the microphone test, and it sounds really good for a wireless set of headphones. Let's talk about the construction on this. It is a plastic construction, but it's plastic and metal, as you can see from the top. We'll go over that in just a second when we get to the headband area. These ear cups are really comfortable. This only weighs 298 grams total. Even with the metal construction up top here, you're going to see the reinforced break points are all in metal, which is excellent. That's exactly what I expect to see out of a higher cost item. You can remove the ear cups, but you can also remove and replace the headband portion as well. You can see it's all metal up here, so you've got an all metal headband. Very interesting construction by Audio-Technica. And on the right hand side, we're going to have all of our switches here. There's our power on and off. We'll go over that in more detail here. This is where you're going to plug in your microphone. You can do that as well as a monitor button, which is something that's really, really nice to have. And then, of course, your jog wheel there for your volume, which is also a button as well to allow you to get that surround sound mode that's built into this headset itself. Now this has 45mm drivers and the sound is really, really good, and when you activate that built-in surround sound mode, it actually adds an extra dimension, at least to my ears, for gaming and movies that make them sound a lot better than I would have thought. So let's take a breakdown on the buttons here, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the button assignment on this is all going to be on one side. And you see a lot of manufacturers do that as well. Makes things easier. You know which side you have to reach for and that type of thing. At the top, you're going to have your on-off switch for the headset itself. And this is right next to the microphone input. And that's how you'll remember where that is. Now the microphone just plugs straight in. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And once it's in, you'll know it's in the right way because it can only really go one way. It's very posable. You heard the microphone test. I actually like the microphone on this, and I think it does a really good job for a wireless headset. Your monitor button will allow you to hear things that are going on outside of your gaming or movie experience, which is really nice to have as well. So that monitor button kind of comes in handy if you need to hear what's going on around you. The micro USB port is there for charging that battery that allows you to have up to 15 hours of continuous playback time. And again, your jog wheel for your volume with that push button that adds that surround sound mode. Now, to the right of that, you're going to have another on-off switch, and that on-off switch is to mute your microphone. So you'll know that it's got a little picture there, but there's two on-off switches, and you may get confused in the beginning. The one near the microphone is for the power. The one farthest away from the microphone is for muting your microphone itself, so that you can mute it when you need to. So that's the button assignment on there. There's a lot going on this headset. Feature-wise, again, they've got a ton of different features. You've got monitor mode. You've got surround sound that's built in to these 45mm drivers, and overall, very, very excellent quality for a wireless headset, as you may have already deduced from the microphone quality. The headset quality itself, as far as build quality goes, is very, very light, very lightweight for you to wear for long periods of time. And the sound on this is definitely great in normal mode, but really good when you add that built-in surround sound mode to it as well. So what else can be said about the Audio-Technica ATH-G1WL wireless gaming headset? Well, I've covered pretty much everything that I think I need to cover on this. It does have great sound to it. For a wireless headset, it's one of the better wireless headsets that I've tested. The mic quality, in my opinion, is very good also for a wireless headset. It's super lightweight. It's got a good construction, combination of plastic and metal for durability. You can replace the ear pads if you need to, so if they start to fray over time, you can do that as well. Up to 15 hours of continuous battery life on these make them very, very attractive as far as longevity in battery life. That being said, the price kind of gets me. It's $249, but you're getting a lot with that package. You're getting surround sound mode, you're getting 15 hours of battery life, you're getting a comfortable headset with great sound and a good mic quality for a wireless headset. So you kind of have to add that in when you're considering your purchase. But overall, there's not really a lot of cons other than maybe the price itself that I can say about Audio-Technica's wireless gaming headset. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you want. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Remember, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do so because that always helps me out. And I'll check you guys out on the next video.